Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. NHLs here from Cost Territory, and today's video I want to quickly show you some website that would pay you as a writer. I made the video like this similar to this one last week, and some people complained and they said Charles, it's not working in my country, and I felt bad, so I decided to make another video like this one, which is going to be showing you how to make money as a writer in your country. So it's working worldwide. Those websites are all working worldwide. All right, just because of the one I did earlier, it was restricted to some countries, especially Nigeria, but today as a Nigerian you can also make money as a writer. So I'm going to be walking you through 5 to 6 websites that will pay you for your writing skills. So if you're good at writing and you want to monetize it, then you should watch this video, because some of this website would pay you as much as $100 for an article and some $25. So you want to watch this video and pick the best website for yourself. Alright guys, so quickly I want to make this video as short as possible. The reason is because I want you to watch this video as quick as you can, go over to those websites, sign up, have your own writer's account and start making money as a writer. Alright, so the first website here is called ProBlogger.com. ProBlogger.com. You can get the links either in the description box below or on the screen. You can get the links there. Right, so ProBlogger.com would pay you as a writer. If you're a good writer, you want to monetize your skills, you're good in writing, you have some special skills in writing, and you want to really monetize it, then you should go with ProBlogger. Why? Because they will pay you as a freelancer, they'll pay you for your writing skills. So it is so easy. You're good at writing and you want to monetize, you want to help people write and get paid for it, they should come over to ProBlogger.com. ProBlogger.com is a big website, channeled to all about writing, all about writing. So yeah, you can get jobs, you can get people to pay you for writing, and also you can start writing for the website and start getting paid for it. So you can see these are the things that people would need your service for. Maybe start a blog, create content, find readers, all those kind of things. So if you are having such skills in writing, then you should come over to ProBlogger.com so that you can get paid as a writer. And ProBlogger works worldwide. All right, it works worldwide, just like I said earlier. So people had issues with the other video, and that's the reason why I'm making this video. Why? Because I want you to also participate, because one of the fastest way to make money is to become a freelancer, and I know most of you have the writing skills, but monetizing it is a very big issue. So that's why I'm pulling up this video. So ProBlogger.com would pay you as a writer. So now if you look up, so now guys, so now we're going to be heading over to where it says jobs. Now look at where it says jobs here. We're going to be clicking on jobs, and now it's going to take us to a new page where we're going to pick jobs that we want. All right, now look at it guys. Now, so as a writer, what you want to do is to make sure the job you're picking, make sure the job you're applying for is something you can do, is something you're good at. All right, you don't want to pick a job that is high paying whereas you don't know how to do such job. All right, it's not going to help you grow on the platform. All right, now if you come over here and you just scroll down a little bit, you're going to be seeing several jobs here. All right, several jobs. This one is content writing. If you're a content writer, you can apply for those jobs anywhere, the country is anywhere, so they're not segregating. Like I said, most of those jobs are not segregating. They are not making you feel okay, yeah, if you're from Nigeria then you cannot participate. You can participate in so many jobs here. So for if you're anywhere in the world, anywhere, any country you're from, you can apply for those jobs. But the second one here, which says SEO content writer, they want somebody from the United States. They want someone from the United States. Tech news writer, they want someone from New York. So, but if you go down, you can see other jobs that can pick you. All right, see anywhere here. This one is they want a content editor. All right, an assistant. This one is anywhere, any country you find yourself, you can apply for this job. Do you understand? So ProBlogger would pay you for your writing skills. What you have to do is to apply for this job, then get paid. And mind you, like I said, make sure the job you're applying for is something you can do, is something you're good at, and it's something that is working in your country, because you don't want to get done with the job and you have issues getting paid. All right, you don't want to have such problem. Make sure it's something that would work in your country, because I tell you there are so many jobs here and so many people need different kind of people to apply for their jobs. All right, so some of them here would require a US person, some of them would require anybody around the world, some of them would require people from New York, Nigeria, and like that. So you want to make sure your country is being listed. You can apply for such job. All right, so that's for ProBlogger. If you're a content writer, you're good writer, you have good writing skills, and you're looking for ways to monetize it, then you can come over to ProBlogger and get paid for your writing skills. So now for you to sign up is very easy. Very easy. All you have to do is just click on start here. you can see where it says start here. If you click on start here, it's going to direct you to your sign-in page where you have to sign up and have your own writer's account. All right, now it's loading up already. So what you want to do is go down. Now you can see join our community. All right, join our community. What you have to do is put in your email, put in your name, put in your email address, then you subscribe, you become a partner of those website. All right, so that's for ProBlogger.com. I'm going to be moving over to the next website, and the next website is going to blow your mind because it's something that is very, very popular. But again, I'm going to be showing you how to monetize your skills there. All right, so the next website is called Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com. You've heard of it, a lot of you have heard of it. So many people know about Fiverr, whereas some people still don't know about Fiverr. Alright, so Fiverr.com would pay you for any skill you can do. As a freelancer, you're good at writing, you're good at taking photograph, you're good at editing, copywriting. Mention the skills you have. You can find people who are going to pay you for that skills here on Fiverr.com. So when you come over to Fiverr.com, it's so simple. All you have to do is to click on join. When you join them, you have so many varieties of content that you can get paid for. Now, for instance, maybe I'm looking for something like let me type in writing. I'm looking for a writer. Write content. You can see now you have write content, write book, write website content. I can see. So these are the things most people are searching for. All right, so if you're a writer on Fiverr, if you're good at any skills on Fiverr, people can DM you and help them write so many things and you get paid for it. That's Fiverr.com. And I'm going to be moving over to the next website, which is called Guru.com. Guru.com is another website that pays freelancers, especially writers. If you're good at writing, designing, you're good at sales and marketing, whatever skills you have, you can come over to Guru, sign up and get jobs for yourself. So Guru.com as well would not segregate. They would not make you feel maybe your country is not listed, you cannot apply for a job. No, it's working worldwide. So you can sign up with those platforms and get paid as a writer. Okay, let me just I don't want this. All right, now you can see they have over 800,000 employers worldwide. They have 1 million paid invoices. They have $250 million paid to freelancers, which you also can be a part of. And if you look down, you can see their top freelancers. They have programming and development, design and art. You can see writing and translation. So this is where you're going to be picking up. This is where you're going to be looking at writing and translation. They have administrative and secretarial. They have sales and marketing, engineering and architecture. They have business and finance. They have education and training, and they have other legal businesses that you can apply for. So Guru.com would also pay you for your writing skills. It would help you get paid for writing as well. So the fourth website is called Upwork. Upwork.com. Upwork was formerly known as Odesk. All right, Odesk, now it's now known as Upwork. Upwork as well would pay you just for writing. It's also similar to Fiverr. But the reason why I made Upwork here is because most of you might not really be so acquainted with the payment system of this website. So I'm making sure I have so many websites here so you guys can go over, check out their payment policies, check out their community standard before you sign up and become part of them. All right, so it suits you and it works best for you. So Upwork is so similar to Fiverr. So if you're a good writer, you want to know how to make money writing, then you should sign up with Upwork. Why? Because you get people who are interested in what you're doing. You get people who are interested in everything you do, everything you write. You know how to write a book, you know how to write the blog content. You can sign up with Upwork.com and get paid for it. Now if you come over here, it says find work. If I click on find work, so it says ways to earn. Find works for your skills. If you click on find works for your skills, I'm going to be showing you something now. Find work for your skills. Remember, you're a writer, so I am a writer now. For this video, I am a writer, so I'm looking for jobs for my skills. So I'm waiting for it to load up. Alright, so now you can see find the best freelancing jobs. Alright, now for me now, I'm going to be clicking on writing and translation. You can see if you go over to the right hand side, you're going to be seeing where it says writing and translation. So this is what I'm going to be picking. I'm going to be picking this one, writing and translation. I'm just going to waiting for it to show me jobs that are at my disposal. So I have writing and translation here. So this is what I'm going to be picking, and it should load up some content for me. Now you can see 80 results found. You can see English. This is a Indian freelancer. They want someone from India. They want someone who can teach Spanish. They want someone from Mexico. They want Arabic translator and writer. So if you're good at writing Arabic, you can come over here, sign up with this platform, get these jobs, and you get paid for it. They have writer, copywriter, Japanese translator and writer. They have article writer. They also have ghostwriter, English proofreader, resume writer, script freelancer, German specialist, Ukraine translator and writer, financial writer, Korean translator and writer. So you can see they have so many things here you can apply for and you get paid for it. So Upwork is working in every country, alright. It works worldwide. So Upwork and Fiverr, ProBlogger and Guru.com, they all work worldwide, because I want you guys to monetize your skills. I tell you, I know it's good as a writer, you have so many potentials, of earning, but then so many platforms will not just allow you, and that's why I made this video. So guys, I want you to hit that subscribe button if you're happy I'm making this video, and give this video a thumbs up. So that's for Upwork.com. And now the other website I'm going to be showing you is called freelancewritinggeeks.com. Like I said earlier, you can get the links in the description box, or you see them on the screen. So freelancewritinggeeks.com. All right, so now where it says, now if you look here where it says writing gigs, writing tips, 100 website that pay writers, 2022 writing content, get paid more, write for us. What you want to do is to click on write for us. So as a freelancer, you want to write for this website, and the reason is because this website would pay you for writing, for putting content on their website. So people like those, you can see these are people who are uploading content on this website and they're getting paid for it. So you can also participate in this website. You can also be like these people and get your content here and you get paid for it. So it's as simple as ABC. So freelance writing gigs also will pay you for your writing skills. They will pay you for your writing skills. So you can see this is so easy, and I tell you guys, this websites are working worldwide. They are working worldwide. All right, so you should have no issue signing up. You should have no issue verifying your bank account. You should have no issue getting clients. All right, so this is the last website I have for you guys. If you have not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button now. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe, guys, please hit the subscribe button now. I'll be so appreciative. And in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to also make more money, and you want to be on that list. All right, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. I remain any Charles from Costa Rica. Until next time, bye.